questions in which you have to give a numerical answer of a particular question. List of centers are nearby: Bangalore, Mangalore, Hubli and Hyderabad. And the most important thing, that is the last date of application, is today, that is 15th October. So if you have to fill the form, you have to decide it quickly and you have to fill it today. So I just want to know, are you aware of this thing, that today is the last day? Okay, okay, okay. So these are the participating institutes. So basically all the IITs as well as IASC and NITs and some other institutes like IIEST Shivpur and SLIET Punjab are taking for this exam. So you can join 2 years course, any 2 years course like MSc or MS Research, as well as you can join for dual degree, which is integrated PhD program. So IISc is also giving integrated PhD program through this. So now, so how many of you are interested in physics? I can't hear anything, man. Huh. Okay. 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 Hmm. Okay. So I would say that first you take out the syllabus of this JAM exam, and mostly it consists of your BSc Physics portions, and then you have to prepare for the multiple choice questions. So I think that would be a good strategy. So initially you can start with looking at the previous examination papers, like how JAM has conducted in the previous exams, previous years, how it was done. So we can start with that, and based on that you can see how which portions are asked more in the exam, which is the less asked portions. So I would say we can start with that. I can share my personal experience as we were preparing for our BSc examinations. And similarly, we gave some time to prepare for multiple choice questions. Yes. So initially, I want to say that when we were in physics, when I was in Banaras Hindu University doing BSc, how my professor motivated for this exam is that if you go to an IIT or in IISc, such kind of research institutions, so the environment of these institutions is different. And the facilities you get as well, you see, if you see the experimental facilities and the quality of funding they get, so you can do much more rigorous work, much you can expand your horizons. And normally when I was in IIT Bombay, I could see that people from all over country are coming there. And I could not see any person from Karnataka. So there were, yes. Okay, actually, right now I have not prepared any slides regarding the syllabus and as well as the previous exam. No, no, I also am ready to contribute to that. So, yeah, 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 yes, yes, yes. Give me a minute. So I hope everyone has filled the form who is interested. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So as I told you that there are three kind of questions. So one is the multiple choice question. So in there will be 30 questions of multiple choice. So there will be a question and out of which there will be four options will be given. And out of those four options, you have to select one answer, which is correct answer. And this year, JAM has made no negative marking. That is a very important thing. So this year, you can go with full confidence that there will be no negative marking and you won't lose any marks because of your wrong answer. So that was a major point in the earlier times, because if you solve, if the answer is correct, suppose you are getting 3 marks, and if it is wrong, you will have a -1. So that would have affected your scores by a lot. So this time you can confidently go ahead and select the answer, whatever you feel, and you won't get any negative marks if the answer is wrong. So there will be 30 questions which will have multiple choice, and there will be 10 questions in which there are more than one correct answers. So these will be kind of tricky questions. And then there will be 20 questions which you have to answer as a you have to give the answer. There will be a question and you have to fill up the answer. So there will be total number of questions will be 60. Total marks is 100.